Mago mag tuke jakom riwruok matayo tuke adhula e pinje mag Afrika CAF Patrice Motsepe nitiere kod chir ne pinje adek mag Kenya, Uganda gi Tanzania biro bago tuke mag CHAN e rang'iny mamalo mokalo. Motsepe mane owuoyo e log tich mar riwruogno bende mor gi chenro mag uso otiko kanyaka sani otiko mag donjo e tugo mokwongo e kind Kenya gi DR Congo oseusi morumo.
Well, I must say we're very excited. I'll be in Tanzania for an exciting competition, the CHAN, which is going to be enormously successful. It makes me proud because it also represents the best of football in Tanzania, in Kenya and Uganda, but also in East Africa and on the African continent. And the sales of tickets have been enormously exciting. This is part of the long-term investment, the long-term strategy of developing and growing African football. The next most successful African players in the AFCON as well as in the World Cup are currently playing in the CHAN. And that's why we increased the prize money significantly, and the interest and the excitement is enormous. So I'm very confident that the matches I'll be watching in Tanzania and in Kenya and Uganda will represent the very best.
Jalot nyari tuke mag CHAN Morocco bedo timo mokwongo mole thur kae motelo ne tuke